Boys and girls, welcome to a short tutorial on how to connect your Canon PowerShot SX740 HS with your smartphone. It doesn't really matter what phone you're using, it can either be an iPhone or an Android phone. In this case, I'm using I think that's a Huawei P8 Lite. There are no extra costs involved once you're trying to connect the camera with your phone, because the camera creates its own Wi-Fi network and you just need to search for that using your smartphone. First, you need to go to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and search for the Canon Camera Connect app. After you have successfully downloaded the Canon Camera Connect app, you go onto your camera, turn it on, and there's a little button with an antenna on top. You press that. Then it says register a nickname to identify the camera. This nickname will be used for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Okay. In that menu you can choose a name for your camera as said before. In this case the camera is already pre-named SX740. You can call it Lisa's camera, you can call it my Canon camera, you can call it whatever name comes to your mind. It doesn't really matter. If you want to change that name, make sure you make use of the keyboard here. Otherwise, hit the menu button and say OK. Then on the next screen it says OK has been selected. The settings screen will close after saving the text entered. OK. Now the camera is asking to what device you would like to connect the camera. Either to a phone, to a printer or to a cloud. In this case, I would like to connect the Canon SX740 HS to my phone. Register a device for a connection. OK. Now you choose either you have an Android device or an iOS device. To make it easy, all iPhones are iOS devices, all other smartphones are Android devices, or you just say do not display. Waiting to connect. What happens now? The camera has produced a Wi-Fi network, and if you step now to your Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone, you'll be able to find that Wi-Fi network here, and you need to enter that password to connect your phone with that camera. Here's my phone. I just swipe down, press on Wi-Fi, and as you can see here, it says SX740. Now I need to enter a password which is given on the camera display right here. Say connect. Next thing you need to do is to go on the Canon Camera Connect app, which is this one here. Now there should be a pop-up in a second. There it is. A new camera has been found. Would you like to establish a connection with this camera? Here it says camera, Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. Tap on that. And now you need to confirm that on your camera screen as well by tabbing O. Here's the Canon Camera Connect app. If you downloaded the app from an English Play Store, it will be in English. I've downloaded it from a German Play Store. That's why it is in German. But nevertheless, the points are the same. Photos on camera, remote live view control, automatically transfer photos onto your phone. Here it says GPS information and camera settings. We start with the lower part. Here you can choose a date and a time for your camera. On this point says photos on camera. If I tap on that, here are all the photos I took already using the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. You can filter them as well, or you go back. Here it says remote live view. That means you'll be able to control now the camera using your phone. That's exactly what my camera sees. If you want to take a photo now, just hit the shutter release button. There we go. Using the memory card, I will be able to take more than 6,000 photos from now on. Here's the battery level indication of your camera. Here is the zoom, so you can also zoom using your app. That's how it looks like. I can zoom out again. On top here you can switch into the video mode. You can use the zoom feature, you can use AF. It says face AF, so if you, for instance, take a video blog, you can track your face. You can choose in what kind of format you would like to record the video, either in 4K with 25 or 30 frames per second, Full HD with 50 or 60, Full HD with 25 or 30, or HD with 50 frames a second. So if you want to start a video, just tap on the record button. To stop a video, just press it again. And if, as I have said before, if you like to take a photo, just press on it. If you would like to use the flash, you have to raise it manually. Where is that? There we go. Now I say enable the flash. Boom, there we go. If you tap on photos on camera, you will see all the photos I took using the SX740 HS. Let's say I would like to have that one. Here you can see all the important information, how the picture is named. You took that with a 1/8 of a shutter. Here's the aperture at that date, at that time, and using an ISO of 800. From here on, you can delete the photo from the memory of your camera, or you can download the photo, either you say with a reduced size or in the original size. In this case, I'm using the original size. Now it's on your phone. If you use your gallery, here are 3 photos that I downloaded. From here on, you'll be able to transfer the photos to your friends. If you say share, you can share this photo via mail, messages, you can upload it to Facebook, Instagram, you can use it for Twitter, Telegram and WhatsApp, and so on and so on. I hope you are now familiar with the connection between the camera and your phone, and if you still have any questions, make sure to post a comment below. Thanks for watching und tschüss!